this Bridgeport. My purse is Givenchy. Good morning, guys. I'm coming at you from a cloudy PA. We're actually in Lancaster, staying in somebody's basement. Well, it's their Airbnb, but it's super cute. Let me show you guys around. I just did my makeup for YouTube Shorts / TikTok, so I feel cute. I really love the setup I did here. I kind of want to have a setup like this in the future for my get ready with me's. I like sitting down, having everything out, being able to look at me, having the camera kind of pointing at my face. It was very nice. So let me show you guys around. So this is the entrance, which is somebody's yard. So this is the little desk area right off the entrance where I actually filmed my get ready with me's. I had a light. I'm actually charging it. I had my phone. This is an extra one that I brought, but I didn't really need it. It has this window, so I got some natural light. So it was nice. It's actually where we are, Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Breakfast nook area, the kitchen. The bathroom is super cute. Sorry about the mess. Showered this morning. And I got all my skincare and my toothpaste. By the way, I just started using this and I love it. I'm particular about toothpaste, and I normally hate the taste, but this one I love. Love my life sitting over there, being all cutie. Cute little fireplace. I love how they had like the Wi-Fi, and then they have a bunch of little chocolates. And then this is the actual main bedroom. It's super messy. That's the Airbnb that we are currently in. It's super cute. We're only gonna be here for another night, and then we're heading out Saturday night out of here. So today is actually Friday. So it's cute, it's simple, and it's right where we needed it to be. Last night we were in like basically downtown Philadelphia. It was really cute. I got some vlog footage for you guys, but we went out to eat there. We were just so hungry after leaving the airport, and it just took so long to do the whole process. Like, we were delayed at the airport. The flight like did not leave for like ever, like 45 minutes. Then it took forever. We were here, and then we went to get our car, and the car situation, there was an error. It was a whole thing. But luckily now we're here. We're gonna go out to eat. We're having a great morning. Running a little late, but I think we'll be fine. I also lost my voice a little. I have a little bit of a sore throat. It's not as bad today, but I'm feeling cute. I love my makeup today. Let me know if you guys like this makeup look, and I'll film a YouTube tutorial on how I did this, because I actually really like it. See you guys later. We're currently at this Bridgeport diner. It's really cute and like small, so I'll try to get a little bit of footage, but I don't like putting camera in people's faces. A little bit of work to do, and I thought it would be nice to just do it at this little desk that they've got at the Airbnb. And because I just made a coffee, I got my phone here. Let me put you guys down. Brandon is gone for a little bit. He had some appointments to do. Whew, that is a dark roast. And yeah, it's been interesting. So all day I've literally done nothing. And now I'm gonna do some work on my phone and just hang out. We're only gonna be here for like a little bit. We ended up renting an electric car, which we didn't know it was an electric car that we rented, but we did. But It's actually super cute. It's a Kia something. I don't remember what it's called, but it's a fully electric car. So we have to figure out how to charge it because we have to still drive to another city, and then we have to drive from there all the way to Philadelphia, where we're flying out on Saturday, but we don't fly out until like 9:30. We're gonna have to charge the electric vehicle at some point. And so I was doing a little bit of research because I literally had no idea. I mean, we own a Porsche hybrid. For a Porsche, it's not really that convenient to charge it unless you're going on a long trip. And anyways, I don't want to get on a tangent too long, which is kind of boring. But yeah, I'm alone. I'm gonna do some work. I'm gonna film some videos and I'm gonna charge my camera. Hi guys, we're on our way out to dinner. It's been a long day. Literally, we made the reservation like 2 hours ago. Whatever time it was, I don't even remember. But reservation 9:15 was the only time available. So we're finally heading out. This is my outfit of the night. So I've got my H&M jean jacket, this cute top that's like a bodysuit from Princess Polly. My jeans are Reformation denim, boots, if you guys see them, and my purse is Givenchy. Don't know. You ready? Mm-hmm. Wait, can you give them a full view? Mm-hmm. This is the full view here. And this is the top. I've worn it before, so you guys probably have seen it. Yeah. Let's go. It's freezing outside too. It's like 40 something.
Canadian tuxedo?
Yes.
Same jean jacket?
Jean jacket. The shoes are...
I don't remember.
Steve Madden.
Rag and
Bone jeans.
H&M.
And the most important part.
Carmen Luck.
Carmen Luck.